right, guys, today I'm going to share something I call as a life hack for small business owners, especially if you are shipping products out yourself. So I'm going to share that in this video today. However, if you like this video, found this video valuable to you, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment more if you want more video like this. So let's check this out. So basically, you go to pirateship.com, which I found. Let me share the story, a backstory about it. So I was out of town, right? So I didn't expect um, the product I got returned from Amazon and that I couldn't sell on Amazon. So I had to find all the platform like eBay, Walmart, and all the platform to sell my products, including Facebook Marketplace. So, and I got a lot of order without and expecting that I'm gonna be selling a lot. In a course of 3 days, I sold over 200 units. So this is this is why I stumbled across with this website, and I can share the link in the description so you guys can check it out. And it's cheapest way to basically ship your products out. So let's check it out. There's so many options that you can choose here. For example, I pre-made the address here. So I'm going to use Ohio because I usually live there. So as you can see that after you type it in, you put the dimension and stuff, and it's only $9. Or if you send out to California, it's going to be more expensive. So you have the option. Let's go back, right? Because in the, let's say for example, my box is 16 times 4.5 times 3 inches. That is the dimension of my box, right? However, if I send to California, this is Ohio, right? It's cost about $9, 964 to be exact. So if I change to California, it's gonna pick random California here, and I'm gonna show you exactly what the cost is gonna come up. So as you can see here, is with the priority mail, it's gonna cost you about 16.45. However, this is a life hack here. If you go back in the previous step, normally, as you know, you pretty done, but normally if you pick, because I know my dimension of my products, right? So I know that I can send with the medium flat red box. I picked that because with this website, you can get discounted, right? If you go at the counter, you have to pay for, I think, about 15.75 flat rate for anywhere. But if you use this website, I think it's 2.8. I think the maximum weight is 20 pounds, I think, for this medium flat rate box. So for my product, it's only 2.8. So let's get that. And you will see here that you get a discounted rate. Even though you're not like a big company like Amazon, you still get discounted rates at, at a retail is 15.50, but you get the price of 13.75. That saves you, a few bucks. And, if you have 100 sale, then you'd save $200. That it's just like a life hack that I found. And you know what, like it's only California that you want to do a medium flat rate box, or the priority flat rate. Otherwise, you want to use normal custom your own box, and you can order this um, stuff like all the boxes online for free on USPS.com. I'm going to show you exactly where USPS.com. If you go, and then you have to log in, of course, and you go to shop business supply, where you go to supplies, and you can see here you can just $0 here, $0 here. So I order my box from here. It take about a week to get here, so you have to prepare for yourself as well. So since I'm gonna actually order the box, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. So basically, I came up here, right? So 0 to 5 because I wanted free stuff, $0 to $5. And the box that I was looking for is regional B because I know the size of my box. So you have to do research of your own box, what is best for you. So I'm actually doing the order uh, box. So I'm looking for the 16 inches link. Right there you go. I think this is the one, right? Because it's 13, 13. This one have 16. Yes. So I want to order this one. So I'm gonna order a pack of 25 because I use it a lot. Mac is 4, so I'm gonna do 2 because I could do 4, but I want to be nice to them. Checks out now. So I'm gonna pause the video for now, so you guys don't know, my address. So I'll come back. So we back. So after you put everything, take about ship in 3 to 5 business minutes. There, basically you can just place your order, and that should be done. It should be easy, and it's free. So there you go. It's done. So that is another hack. However, if you have um, if you signed up with UPS, you also can rent the label printer for $2-3 per week. That's so cheap. Plus, you get the free label from them as well. If you guys want me to do a next video about how to get a free label from there, comment below so I can help you with the next video. However, this is a life hack that I have been using. I was thrilled to share it with you guys, and hopefully you can use this for your e-commerce and help you with your shipping and stuff like that. Even though that I always support people to, fulfill by Amazon, fulfill by Walmart. Um, but you know what? There's a sometimes life can't be as expected. Just like I told you guys at my backstory, how I come across with this site. So, and these sites have saved me a lot of money. And if you don't use it, you can request a refund as well. But the refund gonna take about 30 days because they want to make sure that you don't use that label, and they can refund back to you. So I hope this helpful for you guys. And if you like this video, want me to show you guys more about how to get free stuff for your small online business, comment below, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.